So yeah, I'm back. Wee bit of hiatus. Truth be told, I was extremely lazy, but we're back. We're working on this bad boy. Supra's gone. Sold it for twice what I paid for it, so I'm relatively happy with that. See here, the top end partially stripped. The coil covers are off. All them are off. I've got them labelled. It's my handwriting, so you probably can't read it. Airbox and all that. So the battery tray's gone. It's fucking rotten. I've got the shagged one down there. I've got a new one up here that's a lot better nick. Got her on stands, got the wheels off. The brakes are fucking rusty because she's not moved properly in like 3 years. You can see that wee pool of rust there. That's the driver's footwell. That's going to need to be patched. But the rest of the car's relatively clean, so I'm quite sure I can fix her. Current problem is we've got no compression on this cylinder, and we've got no compression in this cylinder. So this engine is coming out. So what I'm doing at the moment is removing the front bumper so I can get a bit better access to drop coolant, and then remove the radiator and this front support beam. He's going to come out the front. I've got an engine stand in the way. I'll probably put it back there next to the washing machine. Rebuild it on the stand. Hopefully I've no sunk a liner, but I probably have. Yeah, I'm going to do an AC delete while I'm in here because look at the state of these lines. Are fucking rotten. Rotten as fuck. Rotten as a fucking pear. Rotten as the fucking current government cabinet. Rotten as the Chinese government, which is slightly less rotten than ours, I believe. Political. But yeah, so getting all this out. I might pull it ahead, I might not. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, that's getting too fucking. I'm gonna get a shortened alternator belt, serpentine belt. Get rid of the AC pump and the condenser because I live in Scotland. What the fuck do I need a fucking AC for? Hopefully I have this bad boy back on the road in a couple of weeks, which is give myself a time scale, which is the worst thing to possibly do when you're working shitloads of hours. But you do what you can. So yeah, got the top bolts out already. There's a plastic wee bolt to go in here. Hold the top bit on. I've got a wee tub there. Put all the bolts in. Come down underneath with me. Ignore that patch of rust. It's not off this car, is it? Might be. Put the light on. You can see. Oh wait, a wee bit of rust is in there. But it's not just off this car. That's lower brackets and stuff. That's support for radiators and shit. Well, if I can find it, there we go. See, there's a couple of 10mm there, a couple more on the other side, and there's a couple up around the top there. You can't really see, but trust me, they're there. Get the bumper, I'll get a bit more access. The fucking state of that engine. It is one corroded bad boy. I'll drop the oil out it as well today, I hope. I'm going to get a new nice stainless exhaust. This one is well past it. Leaks at the flexi. I've had to weld up the manifold twice. It's a piece of shit. I'll get rid of that catalyst down there. It's like an OE, there's no OEM, that's some eBay special aftermarket thing. It's trash. Gets me through emissions, but only just. That back silencer is getting fucking ready. I'll maybe keep the back box, I don't know. Oh, this is getting fucking renewed at some point. Maybe not right now, maybe not in this particular build series, but it will be renewed in the future. Brakes are definitely getting done in this one because they're fucked. I'm going to do timing on all that, proper rebuild. That oil filter housing does not look good to me, but we'll see how that goes. But yeah, that's the plan. Currently, drop all the fluids, drive shafts out, and hopefully get the fluids in the bumper half the night, and then do the rest tomorrow morning, because I need to be at work at 3 in the afternoon until 11 o'clock at night, which is not great. But we'll see what we can do. Bumper half today though. Right, I've got all the fucking plugs out of the bolts off. There's actually only one of those two in the bottom, those 3 in the bottom. I'm actually holding this to the fucking car. 2 of them are holding the fog light in, so I'm just going to leave them. There's a bolt in here. You can see the top of there. Bolts up through the inner liner. That's it on both sides. I'm a very patient, very controlling man. So having the correct tool to hand, where is it? It's a flathead screwdriver. That's not the correct tool, although I did use it. Misplaced my correct tool. Get any fucking claw hangs, trim clip removal tools. One of the metal bastards. It's like that, you get underneath and you go and pull the fucking thing. I had one of those and it worked sort of okay. So what I actually did was, it didn't work instantly and I have no patience for any of that kind of bullshit, so I got my side snips and just cut the head off the fucking clips, because the clips are like 2p and I can't be fucked with that shit. So, with any luck, the only thing holding this on there should be the fog light lantern. So if I pop this off here, and pop it off here, this whole thing should just, hey! Look at that. Laid bare, I can fucking progress. So unplug these 2 fog lights, stick it on the corner, and we've got some fucking, get the crash bar off, cross member, headlights out, get the whole front end apart. Be fucking magic. I think I might take the radiator out of the top first. The engine's going to come at the front anyway, but we're making progress. Okay, I didn't unplug the fog light, I just took the bulbs out. Right, up next, we're going to get under here, turn my hat light back on. Drop the fluid out the car through that lower radiator hose. It leads, get radiator hose out there, And at the same time that leads up to the thermostat, so I get that out, and then there's another one over there somewhere, which I'm not pointing the camera at, but fuck it. It's hard doing this shit one-handed, right? But we'll drain as much as we can out, and then we'll probably drop the thermostat off the back of the engine. I'm not sure where the lower radiator hose is. I'll find it. Oh, that's up there. Okay, the lower one. Fuck it, that may be the lower one. Point is, it's a 6mm. It's not, it's a 7. I've got a 7, and when I replaced the radiator in this car the second time, I was quite smart, and I put it in such a place where I can just be like, ha ha ha, and realise that's not a 7 at all. That is in fact just a 6. It was a flathead. Come here, you prick. This is the high quality content I'm sure you subscribe for. Wait, you fucking wanker. Come here. Yes. Right, try it this way, shall we? Just a wee twist of the. Look at that. Past me, it's such a genius. Same as such a wanker as well, man. Look at that, be dripping already. Oh ho! My mum has donated a big plastic box for this. I'm trying to keep the mess to a minimum. Here we go. The real question is, can I make this entertaining while still doing this? Probably not. I've never stopped it before. How do you watch these videos? Seriously. Is it the dank memes?
Stay dripped to the feet, night ticks on fleet. Fuck with it, fuck me, fuck shorty, fall free. Ain't no killers, I'm just killing all these beats. Ain't no killers, I'm just.
That should just. There shouldn't be much in this. The fucker uses water. The reason I'm doing this because she's fucking using water. Come on. Oh, she's gone. There we go. Try a good camera angle, still doing the fucking job. Get on! I'm gonna have to shut this off, I think I need 2 hands. Fuck! Yes! Flow! The spice must flow. For fuck's sake! Is that seriously it? It's very important to label everything you take off so you know where it goes back. Reason 410 MGs are amazing. See these brackets here? That one there, that one there. Take those 2 bolts out, radiator lift out the top. Ask me how I know, because I've done it 3 fucking times. On this car. In worse conditions, I did it twice at the side of the road and the 3rd time in a garage. Broken bolt count? 1. Nice to trick I learned a while ago for extracting bolts and that sort of thing. This is an automatic punch, you just shove it down there and get a... Okay, it doesn't work for bolts of that fucking size, you need something a bit bigger. So what you do instead, right, is you go into your long screwdriver drill, you get a big fucking long screwdriver, you shove it in it, and you just get a fucking... Well, what you do actually is, right, you gently leave it there, come across back here, you calmly yet firmly come down to this drawer, you take out your smallest hammer, you walk around here, you pick up your biggest hammer. Note, this is not my biggest hammer. Your medium-sized hammer. This is, I don't know, fuck knows. You get a quick. Oh, look at that! It's free again. No, it does work with smaller hammers, but where's the fun in that? This is where you remember several years prior you broke a connection here and had a cable tie it back together. Snap! Radiator missing. Bolts broken. 1. Upper radiator support, I'll probably just have to chisel that out and re-drill it or something. I can get into it for the bottom a wee bit. Just a wee bit. Is that even it? I think that's it. That one I'm pretty sure, because then there's a matching one, just wait, maybe not. What the I'm not sure. A bolt broke over here somewhere. Fuck knows, but I'll figure it out. Rad's out, that's a condenser. I'm going to have to remove that. There's no gas left in this, I think I can just chuck it all in the fucking bin. Next step will probably be alternate on that. I'll get that front of the engine stripped a wee bit. Give it access and get the exhaust manifold off for the 15th time this year. In the last 2 years. But yeah, I'm making decent progress. Right, alternators out, dead easy. 1 bolt there, 1 bolt to the bottom there, you can't see because I can't be fucked putting the fucking... My phone won't let me put the light on. And I can't touch my hat, I'm holding the alternator. With a bolt down there, bolt up there, alternator comes out, it's 2 plugs. That comes out, the belt comes off, a tension down there you can't see. When you're done your alternator, do you know what you do with your alternator? You come up here and you put it in your alternator pile with the rest of the alternators. Because they like the pack animals. They like being together. Right, auto punch, take 2. See, bolt in there, automatic punch, and you just give it a wee. You just give it a wee. What you do, right? You tighten this as far as it will go. It's not bolted down so it doesn't go that tight, and then you try it. You try it. See, it's going. Look at that! Fantastic tool, this.